Hey guys, how's it going? Rafferty Refined here, covering all the basics to help you refine your chalk painting skills. Today we are going to be hopping into a very important first step that is sometimes grazed over a little bit too casually, and that is why it's important to clean your pieces and how to. I am now going to be embarking on my painting journey and I need to finish cleaning these pieces. Why? Because cleaning these pieces is a very important thing and I'm going to show you why. When you're painting over dirt and grime, it can lead to all sorts of problems. The paint can have a hard time sticking to your piece, as well as anything that you paint over, such as the dirt and the buildup in the corners or anything underneath. Anything that's left on will show through the paint. And when you remove your hardware, you're going to have that caked on bit, and it's really important to clean that off because it will show through as well. Starting from basics, how do we clean furniture properly? A couple of things. You can either just use some soap and water. However, make sure the soap is a degreaser so it breaks down all that buildup. Second, you can actually use a product that is put out for a degreaser and is meant to help you clean your furniture. I personally like to use a product called White Lightning by Dixie Belle. I really find that I can just hose down a table and it just gets the job done. Let's see that in action. Let's wait a couple minutes and I'll show you the result because it's going to be good. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on all your basics to refine your skills as a chalk painting artist. So it's been a few minutes. I'm putting on some gloves and we're just gonna wipe it off. I probably will use a little scrubber just in case to get into the nicks. You can use a toothbrush. Let's get some grime removed. So I use the scrubber to break up the dirt, and then I wipe it off with the rag and repeat the process around the entire piece. Just going around making sure I hit all those little nooks and crannies, get underneath where things can kind of get caught up on in your brush when you're painting, and wipe it down generously and make sure that you just get all the stuff up that you've sprayed, and it should be good. All right guys, they are all squeaky clean and ready for the next step. So remember to subscribe so you can see me again and watch more videos on getting back to basics and refining your skills as a chalk painting artist. Also, please like the video and share it if you found some value in it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.